Here's to startup news. I am your host Aishwarya. Top headlines for today are: Indian startups raised $12 billion in 2021. PhonePe and Flipkart to digitize cash on delivery services. Small and medium businesses to get loans from Flexi Loans and Google Pay. Before I proceed with today's news, I request our viewers to take necessary precautions as the battle against COVID-19 is not over yet. Always wear a mask, wash your hands frequently, step out if needed, and maintain social distancing. Remember, this is the time we fight the virus together. Now the news in detail are: Indian startups have raised $12.1 billion from venture capitalists and private equity firms so far this year. As per data of Venture Intelligence, more funds of $100 million and above were backed by young and evolved startups like Swiggy, Byju's, Zomato, etc. The increase in funding can be attributed to the rise in adoption of digital technology across businesses due to the COVID-19 pandemic. Fintech giant PhonePe has partnered with Flipkart to digitize cash on delivery services. Customers will be able to pay using a QR code with any UPI app at the time of delivery. Digital lending platform Flexi Loans will partner with payment service Google Pay to provide loans to small businesses. Over 50,000 small businesses will benefit through this partnership in the upcoming 12 months. The Defense Research and Development Organization has designed and developed the first lot of 12 short-span bridging systems. The 10-meter SSBS was inducted into the Indian Army by Chief of Army Staff M.M. Narwane on 2nd July. Tech Mahindra has joined hands with supply chain solution provider Statwig to implement vaccine traceability platform Vaccine Ledger. Vaccine Ledger will use blockchain technology globally. Rapido has filed an application with the Transport Authority of Karnataka to operate bike taxis. Earlier this year, Rapido's bike taxis were confiscated by the state government and were imposed with fines. Growth stage investor Iron Pillar has raised $10 million from Alana Group in its Fund 2, which was launched this fiscal year. Adil Alana will join Iron Pillar as a board partner. Data annotation startup Playment has been acquired by digital consultancy TELUS International. The amount is undisclosed by the company. Pine Labs has raised $315 million from a group of new investors like Fidelity Management as well as funds managed by BlackRock, Ishana, Treeline and Neuberger Berman Investment Advisors. Cloud platform Neverinstall has raised $375,000 in a seed funding round led by Special Invest. The funds will be used to build an engineering team to develop the platform. That's all for today. We have over 400 startups and MSME shows on our TV channel. Do check out. My Startup TV is now available on Google Play Store, so you can get all the latest news on startups and MSMEs on the move. You can also support us by subscribing to our TV channel and do not forget to press the bell icon. You can follow us on Koo, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn or visit our website www.mystartuptv.in. Thanks for watching.